Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
My network here. I'm sorry. Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me also?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, my charging port for my phone had problem yesterday, so I was just trying to manage the phone. But I've repaired it today, sha.
Oh,
So, were you able to try it yesterday? Did you get it, sir?
Uh, actually, the last part is the top one is actually giving me issue.
Okay, so
So I don't understand why my system is actually hanging these days with this solid card. I mean with this solid work. But I will share my screen though, because this thing really frustrated me yesterday night. I was just trying. You just click one line like this, it will be waiting for like 2 minutes before it responds. Like
even when Zoom is not on,
I even restarted my system, like making sure that every other application is closed.
yes, wow.
But once you click, it will be looking at you. Oh boy, that thing is frustrating.
So let's check. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Sure.
You can share your screen.
Yeah, sure. You can see my screen now.
Yes. All right. I think I guess the problem.
So now the issue here is this. You see
Selected
this
contour.
guy.
Okay.
You see this what
Blue
is this
line.
guy say? You see these two blue lines here.
Yes.
This guy, the dimension, I think the dimension should be
20.
20.
Yes, it should.
Yeah. Now I can't change this dimension. I don't know why.
All right. Make it press space key, space tab, and let's see. And make it normal to us. Let's see. Let's see. Don't start that one.
You see that? You see what I'm telling you?
Yeah, thank God. Yes, corporate. This should be 9 o'clock now, in the night.
This should be, this is 8:25.
It will not, which way did you want it to move? It will not
This
move.
this this line,
Yes. You want to
I
move.
just want to dimension it. Probably move it up
You
or
won't.
down.
Delete that 11.69 dimension that was there. That was what is holding it.
This
Yeah.
guy here.
Yes, 11.69.
Did I even give this? Did I even give this dimension?
Yes, you did. That's what it's showing you.
I just clicked the line, right?
Yeah, double click it like Papa.
Yeah.
Okay. And delete. Delete like that. Press delete on the keyboard.
When did I give this dimension?
That was a problem. So it's now free.
Okay, so
you can put the dimension you want there now. Dimension again, smart dimension again. You have to pick it up. As the line is active now, you will know that that's where you want to dimension automatically. Yeah. So you can just is there. Okay. I understand. The system is getting tired.
this system is really frustrating. I need to
It should be cheap there now. System should be cheap.
Yeah, but the kind system I want to buy is not ordinary system. The system I wanted to buy is very costly here for deep learning. So they were telling me, from what I'm seeing here, it should be like 200,000 yen, which is approximately almost 900,000 naira.
Yes, that's where a good laptop exists. That range. I'm serious. The next system I'm buying should be in that range.
more money here. But I will still buy it maybe next month.
This one I'm using is 400.
What is the model?
Dell
Okay,
Inspiron.
Dell. Okay, okay.
But MSI is what
System I want to buy should have a good graphics because
yes, yeah. I need system like MSI now or Alienware, something of that nature. So the last dimension now, which is the 10.
So I put 20.
So remain that vertical dimensions now. Let me on my video.
You know, this one I have already given this one 30. So automatically
this one, that place is to thank you is 10. But remains these ones, these two lines, give them dimension.
This one?
Yes, these two.
I think I've given them 10 before.
No, you've not given them. If you have given them that blue, not sure.
Really? So I should click this guy.
Yes, and put dimensions. Are you on smart dimensions?
Yes.
So why is this? Okay, this system that was closed. Yeah, it's showing 10 now. You can leave it as 10.
Yeah, I think I've given it before.
I think if you have given it, you should not give us these options. Let's do.
Really? Okay. So I don't double click, right?
Yeah, just leave it now. Just click once and go. Once and go. I think so.
Then this one.
Do you want to put equal relations? So that I should just teach equal relations once. I have to put relations once and for all.
So control this.
So click escape first so that the smart dimensioning tools will go. Good system is actually needed, I'm telling you. Yeah. I just wish I should have one. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's out now.
I think this is
No, but it's out. It's out.
It's out.
Yeah, I know it's out from the cursor. That's how I knew it was out. So click on the first line. Don't hold control. Don't hold anything. Just click on the first line like that. The line is highlighted now. Don't worry, it's your system that is slow. You hold control now. You go and click the second line.
This guy.
Yes. Control being hold now. Then click on the second line. Yes, the option will show. Look at your left side. You can find the options there. Equal this. So you click on equal. Yes. Then you mark it. Automatically they are equal. Yes, it's showing it's equal now.
Okay.
The system is on. You can click the graphics inside outside that white place. Just click that white place so that it will go. Then we can go and extrude now. But it's showing. You see that everything is black. The whole line is fully joined now because there's no ambiguity anywhere again. Every dimension is known. So we can do extrude now. Are you from Soka? Like?
Yes.
To show you the name. That's how I know. I have stayed with Igbo man to the extent I know where they are from by name. Now, this is a problem of selected contour. You have two contours now. Two close curves. That's what sketches. One that looks like L, the other one that looks like a bar. So this one, close one. So you click on it. Yes. This one here. Yes. Then you click on the second one. You can see the second close contour here.
This one.
Yeah. This is your system, man.
Yeah,
Mark it.
Don't worry, I'll do something about this soon.
That's my second guy. That's my second student from China. That guy want to buy me system. I'm just praying to God. Make God touch him. Ask. Because his own system is far powerful than what I'm using. So he always complain that my system is also slow. That maybe when it's coming home from China, anytime it's coming home to Ghana, just bring one for me.
Okay, the guy is from Ghana.
He's from Ghana, yeah. He's not Nigerian.
Okay, I can now
Mark it. Yes, just mark it. You have to mark. There's another mark there. Yes, that one will also work. Yeah.
This one?
Yes,
okay.
it work. It work.
And we are extruding by 20.
20, yes, I see. It was 20 that was there. That's why I said you should mark it.
Okay. But it's not showing us the direction of extrusion.
All right, so go to gravity space and use your arrow button to rotate it, or use your scroll button from your mouse, anyone.
Should I click here first? Outside?
No need. No need. I don't think it's needed. Does it move? Even if it's want to move now, this one will take time. He's in the right direction. Don't even turn it. So, yeah, he's in the right direction. Abi? He's in the right direction. It's not going up.
It's going up.
It's going up. So it's the right direction.
Yeah.
In the right direction. So just mark it. The system I used to learn SolidWorks. Okay. That one. Anytime I'm doing anything that is serious like this, I will open the processor, open everything up, carry fan, and be blowing it. I will standing fan, I will just position it, blowing it in the cool. But I'm still going there. At least I must buy 32 gig RAM system laptop.
So,
so remain the sketch that we used to cut. So let's turn it. The sketch that we used to cut. Turn. Keep turning. We are not there. That's not the direction. This is what we want. Yes. Now turn upward. Now up. Yes.
Right?
Yes. So you can click on that flash surface. It's obvious now for sketching.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
No, not the first. Yes, that's where you see the triangle. Yes. Sketch. Then you can do normal to mean things like that.
Normal what?
Like space bar, normal to.
Okay.
So that it can be a bit easy. Actually, a professional person can actually sketch anyhow, but it's just better to have it. Wow. So it's to take line 2 now and draw the triangle needed. This is Nigeria. Let me save my data. People that are in Japan, they are saving their data.
So where am I starting?
So just draw a triangle that hits the edge. Should I just look at my video? Just draw a triangle that hits that edge that way. And touches, yes, and touches the other edge downward. You understand? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Then the last point, we will fix it by that relations. You understand?
I click here, right?
Yes, now the normal line we have been drawing now, it's not hard. Yes.
Yeah. I have to wait for this guy to respond. Right?
Seriously, it's frustrating.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Okay, so, and I'll go this way.
You go up to go and make the line up. Yes, that way. Don't snap it to that midpoint, please. If you put it to that midpoint, it will automatically snap that place. It won't be able to go out of it later. This laptop.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, don't put it at the midpoint. Just shift it a bit. If you put it at that point, you know it's telling you that you are at the midpoint. That one. And yes, you can just put it at that place. Any other place better than the midpoint is fine. Other than the midpoint is fine. Because if you put it at midpoint, SolidWorks believe that you want to do half.
So from here, we now complete.
Yes, the last one.
We are waiting for our chairman to respond.
Yeah. But what really happened? It wasn't this bad before now.
Well, I'm running different software here, but the problem here is that why I'm confused is I've actually stopped all the software I'm running, like PyCharm, which I know is that guy consumes lots of memory and other stuff. I've actually restarted the system, meaning that all these things are not running again. So I'm wondering why it is still slow this way.
Is PyCharm used for deep learning?
Yes, you can use it for PyTorch. PyTorch is an extension library that can still be installed there. And you can still use it for if you are writing like Django or other stuffs. So you can still use it. Personally, I prefer it square writing Python code than Visual Studio.
Oh, okay. Also, I use PyCharm also. I have PyCharm in my system running.
PyCharm is very good.
Yeah.
The intelligence is okay.
Okay. So now the next thing, let's escape the line 2 so that we can put the dimension and the relations we need to put. Or do you want to use dimension?
Okay. So our dimension should be
20.
20.
That last line.
For this guy.
Yes. 20.
So that means I should use smart dimension.
Yes. So we cannot do extrude cut. Like futures now, extrude cut.
Okay, this guy.
Yes, that's it. So you can turn it so that you see the direction at which you are cutting. Just down button, maybe 2 steps or 3 steps is fine.
I'm clicking down button and it's not saying that. I don't know.
You can just click the white space so that it will be able to be active on the screen. Yeah, that button should go. Yeah. So we are cutting towards that direction. So it's fine. That's the direction we want to cut to.
Okay.
That is sufficient for us.
So
10 mm is okay. The depth at which we are cutting to is that depth. So we want to cut everything off, which is almost 10 mm. So 10 mm is 10 is the required dimensions to put it.
right?
Yeah, just mark it now.
Okay. So click outside.
Yes. And that's it. So I want to just look at maybe there's another example that you can try. That's what I'm looking for now. So I believe that is done now. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
So let's look for another example. Or should we just circle 2 is not hard also. Circle is not hard. But I'm sure we have used it now. So we did 2 now. Okay. Sorry, 1 minute. Let me just pick this one.
Okay.
All right. Hello?
Hello,
Yes, sir. What? I do below alone, sir.
Student for part 4 students coming now.
Okay.
One electrical engineering, one very long courses will not render for only for IT. One great thing I level. You know what my local do electrical engineering.
I just shall sorrow later because I'm actually in a class because of your WhatsApp call. I'm also in another class. Sir. Thank you, sir. But in my daily grammar, sorrow better. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello?
Yeah, sir, I can hear you.
Yes, I'm back. Where is this one? Okay, it's from your phone, your system.
Yeah.
All right. Let me just take one, then let's take one.
Okay.
Can you try 12? Does it actually have circle? Then I will do 1. Then I will give you assignments to take. Like now that the seeing issue is out, we'll be able to move forward now. Can you try 12? So you just close that. Close this one first so that it doesn't delay.
So I should do what?
Should I try it? Should I do 12 or I should do 1?
Okay.
Let's do 1. Exercise 1. He has a lot of curves there. Let me do it so that you'll be able to practice better. 12 is something you should be able to do on your own. All right.
Yeah, I'm not guaranteeing you.
you just have to add them on top each other. 12 is not hard now. Just add and add.
For your mind now.
It's not hard now, seriously. Don't worry. Okay. I will do both of them in this class. Then I will send the video. I'll send the video.
Okay, fine.
So you can go through it. It's just that scene. Once that scene is done, the commands are not hard because it's a bit physical. Abi?
Okay.
Anybody that should be able to do Python should not be having problem with this.
Design and coding are 2 different worlds. Even why I was a software developer, I didn't want to go into front end because of aesthetic view. I always prefer back end.
Yeah.
I always prefer back end because all those aesthetics, color combination, and all those things. That is not just my. I hated it with passion. So I like the front end guys. Guy, develop this website, then give me all the necessary back end actions you want us to do. You want us to implement. I will do that for you. But coming to checking, okay, green is supposed to be here. No. Let's no. All those aesthetics.
Yeah, it's not easy. Seriously, it's not easy.
I don't like it.
It's not easy. It takes a lot of jobs, and you have to be visiting a lot of things. You have to be seeing pictures, seeing how things is being done. We prefer it raw. Let it just be raw.
is women that likes anything color. Like even while we are, like when I was doing IT like when we are doing IT these days, most of the girls that were doing IT with us while we were doing software development and other things, most of them likes front end because they like, okay, let's put CSS here, make it red, black, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
They really enjoyed it. I didn't enjoy that side.
Wow.
Nice. Well,
So let me share my screen so that we can
okay.
stop sharing so that I can move in there. And so we are doing exercise 1 for now because it has some curves and so Jesus is Lord. Jesus. Okay. Hello? Yes, sir.
Which side for Nigeria?
Okay, this is Uncle Manuel. Please, can we make it maybe by 2 o'clock, please? Sorry, a call just came in again. No, I don't tired.
Okay.
This guy is just, I think you should even know the guy that is coming. It's a guy that he graduated from UNA. It should be your set.
You graduated from where?
UNA.
Which department? Which department?
Mechanical engineering.
Okay. 2018 set.
It should be, yes, it should be 2018 summer. Yes, 2018. His name is Emmanuel.
Okay.
And the guy is doing well now. He just want to come and say hello to me. He finds himself very close to where I am. All right, let's go and I will send him the address while we are doing this work.
Okay, he's also staying.
No, it's not.
He's
an Igbo person. He just came around to Ife, so he just want to say hello to me where I am.
Okay, you are staying very close to OUA.
OAU, yes. So we are doing exercise 1.
Yeah.
Sorry, take 5. Supposed to go and beat this guy up. But let's see what we can do. He's not a Yoruba person, so he might be having a bit challenge going through those Yoruba people. You know them now.
Yeah, that's it.
And he's talking to pure Yoruba person. So no problem, let's go. At least I will do this exercise.
Okay.
We should be able to. So if I'm looking at this from front, I will make this job easier for myself. Let me first of all, if I'm looking at it from the front, I'm seeing this. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yeah, sure.
Can you see what I'm trying to trace? I'm seeing this.
Yeah.
So that one that bulge out, I will make it out later. But with this that I'm seeing from front view is exactly what I want to draw now. Everything in front view now. I will just draw it out. Then I will extrude it by 30, then remove from there.
30.
Look at the side view. You see the 30.
Okay.
And the external that comes out small, this shot that comes out small is actually 10. The reason why I gave him 12 o'clock before, because I was planning that our class should have ended by 11:30 thereabouts, so that I'll be able to, but a whole lot of things happen.
Don't worry. Once it comes, we can stop now.
All right, so let's continue. I'll make my work easier because that job looked like something that is symmetric. So I'll take midpoint line. You can actually take a normal line. It doesn't change anything. Just to get the midpoint at the origin. Sure. This is clear.
think.
Did you ask? No, I'm not correct.
Yeah, that's what I was actually looking at.
I just checked it now. I saw that. Okay, is this way?
Yeah, sure.
I was trusting my photographic memory and it still disappointed me. So in order to ensure that the center at the top and is equal to the center at the bottom, I will take a construction line from here and I will take it up and make it vertical. Sure.
Okay.
I will make this place and this place equal and also collinear. Sure. This is clear. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Then the next thing is to draw circles. Okay. Let me teach something interesting, new. So I'm taking circle. There's actually a right to use. So the first circle, Abi, and the second circle. Abi, then I need to delete this part, shape, and this part. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So there's a tool in SolidWork called trim entities.
Okay.
So it has different types. I will click on trim entities. There are extend entities, but now I want to trim. So this guy that is not there, I'll trim it off. Trim it off. And this, I think this is not also there. Sure. I think this was the way it was. And I can use construction line to just complete this place. The next is for me to put dimensions. Abi?
Yes.
80, 40 first. 80, then 40. What next? 45, 10. I mean, 45, 10, then radius 10. Radius 10, 45. So said I'm okay. From this to this place should be 10. So what dimensions have I not specified? This total length here, I've not specified. The length from here to here, that's why it still is. So that length is 40. Can you see?
Yeah.
So the length is 40. So I can do from here. See another way I can dimension up to here. So make it 40. And this is what? The complete sketch. Have you?
Yeah.
So the complete sketch was extruded by 30. Then only this place was extruded by what? 10. If you watch it. This whole thing.
Okay.
This whole thing was extruded by 30, but only this front was extruded by 10. Shane? I'll do. Can you see? Don't let me rush. Can you see it?
I can see that of 30 or that of 10.
But that only front. Let me just quickly share my screen. To that PDF. You see, this entire from the top is 40. Can you see? Can you see my screen? But only from here to here is 30. Can you see? Only from here to here, from the side view, is 30. Can you see the front that is protruding out? You are not getting it.
Come again, sorry, one more time.
Okay. Now, Here, from here on top view to this front is 40. Can you see? On top view, which is from here to here. From here to here is 40, according to top view. But from here to here, according to side view, it says just from here to here. So this small protruding, can you see this small protruding?
Okay.
This protrusion,
which is that C shape, right?
Yes, which is that C shape, exactly.
Okay. Okay. It's 10.
It's 10. So share screen back to SolidWorks. So what I'm saying is that I'll first of all extrude everything from here now.
Okay.
First of all, extrude everything from here by 30. And I will select the whole contours by 30. Can you see? And I will select it towards the back direction. Should I do it again?
No worry, I understand.
You get it here?
Yeah.
So, now, the next question is, will I draw another sketch? Abby, when what I needed is actually drawn before. Shane? Okay. I won't need to draw another sketch. Just do extrude. Extrude will ask you, where is the sketch? I will just locate the sketch this way. I'll do it again. Then the sketch is showing. I'll just say only this one by 10. Okay. You see selected contour now coming to play and really help. Okay. So let me do that process I did now again. When I'm using one sketch now to drive two features, I'm using one sketch to drive two features. See this sketch here. I click on it and I say show. Let it be visible. You can see the sketch here that drives this. So it's only this region. I don't know, maybe you are with me, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Only this region is what I needed. You understand? If you want to do this, yesterday we were talking something about rollback. I think on my video, you know. We were discussing something about rollback yesterday. And I said that again, I use this example of biology. Cell make up tissues, tissues make up organs, organ make up systems, combination of systems makes human being. Sketches make up features, features make up parts, parts make up assemblies, assemblies make up a standard machine. So now for that particular feature you see, there is a sketch that is driving it. So if you go to your design by your left hand like this, your design tree, you will see small arrow beside every feature that you did. If you click on that small arrow, you will see the sketch that drives it. So you can hide the sketch or you can make the sketch visible, but default says the sketch should be hidden. So if I just click on that sketch like this, it's active like this. Can you see? I'm not doing anything with it. I just click on it. I just say extrude. Extrude will ask me that is, you will know automatically that is sketch I'm referring to that I want to extrude through. So
you must click the sketch before extruding, right?
This time around, because you are not starting from sketching it again. You know, the default thing I supposed to have done from what I've taught is that I should click here and see sketch.
Okay.
But I don't want to do that. I want to make it fast. I just click, since the same sketch is there, everything that I needed is there. So I can just say, okay, click on this place and say extrude, so that the sketch will be active.
Okay.
If it's not active, extrude will be asking you that where is the sketch that I needed to extrude.
Okay.
No, you can't just extrude anyhow. Like now, if I extrude, you see the information blocked for me, a plane, a planar faces on a head, or a sketch or an existing sketch that you want to use for the future. But because I have done this process before, he knows that this sketch I'm talking about.
Okay.
I'll just say extrude. Now it's a selected contour problem, we know, but this is the contour that we're interested in. I mean, not this.
Okay.
So if you select two contours that you don't like, you can come here and say clear selections or delete. Clear selection means that all the selections that you have selected, you can clear everything once. Delete means that you are deleting one specific one.
Okay.
So I deleted this, which was the one I don't need. Then if I turn it around, you will see that this is exactly what the work talks about. You did it by 10 mm and you have the answer. I believe this is clear. It's not hard, no? As you thought that.
Yeah, sure.
All right. So let me just do number 12. Abi? I will send the video because I need to attend to this guy. He uses glasses, he attends deeper life.
Oh, I may likely know him.
Yes.
I might likely know him.
Let me see. I don't know whether he put his pictures on.
Did you attend? You attended DLCF one in campus?
Yes, myself. Him.
Yes. I'm talking about you.
No, I didn't attend DLCF.
Which one did you attend?
BSF. But I'm active outside campus fellowship. Very well. I attend BSF, Baptist Student Fellowship. It's not common. Where can I find?
Okay.
When you come around, I will just snap picture. I will show you. We will snap pictures and we'll show you. Right. So, exercise 12.
Okay.
Let me start from top plane. Sketch. Top plane sketch. Then, if I'm looking at it, so let me think I can share this screen to that exercise. Share exercise 12. Share. So if I'm looking at this exercise here now, I believe I will see this first. We know this, that we'll see this.
Yes.
All this.
That is the top view.
Top view, yeah. From the top view, I will see all this from the top view, which is, you can quickly sketch it at 40, 60, go about it, no problem. So, share screen back to SolidWorks. Then anybody that did this zone, God will bless the person. They really tried. Hello? I think that's hello.
Yeah, I wasn't hearing you before.
And another cooking. I think this should be what it looks like. Yeah, I got it. What if you see the color? I think this should be it. I mean,
Yeah.
And this should be 40, 60. There's 120 by 45 here. I mean, 20 and it's by 45 degrees. It should be 135 then. So everything is fully defined. And
then from that particular point, from that 45-degree angle, then take the left to the other side. What is the dimension? It was not given.
But I can also do it this way, from here to here, and I will have my 45 degree.
Yeah, I know. What I'm talking about is that dimension, the down one. The dimension was not given, right?
Yes, it wasn't given, and I wasn't concerned. And it fixed itself. Because if you actually take 45 degrees by 20, it means that from here also, from here to here, it will be 20. This is 45 degrees. I don't know, maybe you understand me.
Okay, so you are saying that dimension from that angle to the left side, left.
Can we do SOHCAHTOA here? It's just the principle of SOHCAHTOA, opposite of sine of 45. We are looking for the adjacent.
No, you don't understand the one I'm talking.
Okay. This
the
one.
other line.
This one.
No.
This
down. No, come down. This. Yeah. Yes.
I didn't have the dimension for it, and that is what I was explaining, that if this space is 20, That means this place to this place coming down straight here will be 20.
Okay. So
Because
that is
cos 45, you understand me? Cos 45 over 20 should give us 20 or back.
So that means the other one should be 40.
So this other place should be 40 by default. And SolidWorks know this and it just fixes it by itself. I don't. So it has mathematical engine running behind it. The height of extrusion is 10. Abi? Then we need to sketch the. So let me share my screen again. It's 10. Let me share my screen again. You will see that from front view. From front view.
Okay.
My front view is showing now. So the next thing I want to do is this small box. This small one here. Let me not rush it. This small one. That is 10 by 30. Can you see it? 10 by 30. 10 by 30. By extrusion of 10. Can you see it, sir?
Okay.
This small thing that is here is 10 by 30. That's the small thing here. So I'm using rectangle tool to do this. Then I'm extruding it by 10 also. Stop sharing. The last one will be done last because that's where the challenges might look like. So sketch on this surface. Make it normal to me. And I take corner point rectangle. And I put dimension of 10. And here my middle space 30. This is not hard. And I do extrude by 10 also. I believe this is clear.
Yeah, sure.
Last one is the challenging part. Let me share the screen again. So we have something that goes like this on front plane. So I can actually draw this on front. Can you see? I can draw this on front plane. This is the easiest part of getting this job done. Draw this on front plane. This. But I will not turn back because it doesn't appear up to the front. So I will turn back to go and draw it at the back. I don't know, maybe you understand my explanation. Let me use this book to explain. Something was here small, and this was the back. So if I draw it here, this is not where I need it. But if I turn this to the back like this, I can still sketch it here. That trapezium. Can you see?
Okay.
Still be at the back. So stop sharing. Share SolidWorks. Share. So this is exactly what I'm saying here now. That the trapezium is somewhere around behind this place, somewhere around here. So instead of me stressing myself, I will just turn back like this and sketch it here. Just like the same thing we did that other time. Using my line tool, I'll just do like this. Please, is this clear?
Yeah, sure.
So the next thing for me is to put dimension. So I will just check the dimension here. 50 by 30 by 30. 50 by 30 by 30. All right. Let me be a bit fast. Let's go back to that drawing. It has a hole inside. Can you see? It has a hole inside.
Okay.
A square hole. A square hole inside. Can you see? And that square hole was located at 10, 10 and 10. It was located at 10, 10, 10 by all the sides. Should I explain this again? There is a hole. Can you see the isometric view I'm clicking on? Scrolling.
Yeah.
That goes through this one that I want to extrude now. So I just want to do the hole once and for all. So the hole has a dimension of 10 by 10. You understand? And it was 10 from this side, 10 from up. It was 10 from this side, from this edge to this edge is 10. That's the dimension I was given. Likewise, from this edge to this edge, it was 10. That was the dimension that was given here. So I will do share screen, this and this. Say this, number 2. So I'll just draw that rectangle. This one now, we don't know the center. Share. Just the 10, by 10. There's 10 between here to here. Likewise, there's 10 between here to here. And the job is done. And the next is for me to extrude it by 10. There's only one close contour. The second one is the one inside. The direction is going wrong, so I change it back to the front direction. And that. Is it
By what amount do you extrude?
By 10. Let me check. It's 10. Should I show you from the work that is 10? Let me show you from the exercise. So this is the 10. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, sure.
This is the 10. So, and this is the 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here. It's as simple as that. Not really, really hard. And that's why I say you can do it. There are ones I know that you cannot do it. So I will employ you to try 15, 15, and 19, 15, 19, 23, 15, 19, 23. Let me be sending it on WhatsApp like that. Let's see. 15, 19, 20. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So when are we having our class tomorrow? So let me add 28 also. 28. It's too much.
It's too much.
But once you get this thing, let me tell you one. Once you get it, you discover it doesn't take your time. I'm serious. Except if you don't believe. Once you get it, you discover that it doesn't take your time. It's not that if we get to the part that takes time, I will tell you. This one does not take time. This is just the most fundamental, like the simplest. Okay, do 2 out of the 04. Hello, sir. Hello?
Yeah, I wasn't hearing you before.
It's network. People are just calling and calling and calling and calling. So when can we have our class tomorrow?
Can we have it the same time now?
12 o'clock, sure?
Yeah.
12 o'clock is perfect for me tomorrow. Let's go with it. because I'm traveling now, like as I finish this class now, it was this class that delayed me. I should have traveled since. She understand. So my plan is to see Emmanuel and travel now. But now I'm a bit delayed the schedule. But no problem, we can. So 12 o'clock is okay for me tomorrow. I should be free with what I'm doing. Where I'm doing tomorrow.
Okay.
So I will record this video, I will send it to you too. You can get it there. On a very short note. I will try if I can even do it now. You understand?
Okay.
Thank you very much. I will not be able to stay this afternoon because of things I need to attend to. I didn't really plan my day to go this way. All right, sir. Okay, have a nice day, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
I need to take care.